Guys, you think you are ready to spray the paint. You hold the spray gun in your hand and you think you are ready. But are you really ready to spray the paint, guys? Let's find that out. Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video guys, I will give you the checklist which you should check before you start to spray the paint. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, this is like a checklist. Everything I tell you, you'll have to check it when you are done doing it before you spray the paint. So the first thing that you'll have to keep ready before you get ready to spray the paint guys. And the first thing is you should keep material in order. I won't check it at the moment because you are not ready with it. So what do you mean by keeping material in order? It means that you should keep your spray gun nice and clean and ready to use. You should check if it is spraying properly. If it is not spraying properly, then you'll have to clean it again. Check for the filter which is there in between the spray gun cup and the spray gun. There is a filter there. Check if that filter is clean. If it is not clean, clean that filter, put it back again, put your spray gun cup. Then check if your spray gun outer water trap is ready. What this water trap does is it traps all the water which could enter the spray gun. And like this it gives you nice and dry spray which is very good for painting. So check if your water trap is in place and like this keep your things in order. Once your spray gun is nice and clean and ready, your filters are ready, your water traps are ready, then you can come and check this box. So there you go guys, you are done doing one thing. Like this you'll have to check all these things what I have written here guys. I'm telling you one by one so that you know what is to be done before you spray the paint. So this is the checklist that you should follow every time before you spray the paint. So let's move on to the next one, and the next one is guys, prepare your paint mixing sticks and strainers. Yes guys, when you are ready to mix the paint, you should not be running to find the stirrer stick when you are ready to mix the paint. But you should have the stirrer stick ready beforehand. So once you are done mixing the paint, mix the paint with a stirrer stick, then your mixture is ready. Now you are going to put that mixture in your spray gun cup. When you are about to pour the mixture into your spray gun cup, don't run at that time to get a strainer because your strainer should be ready beforehand. That is the reason why I have made this checklist. So keep your strainer ready near your spray gun so that when you come near your spray gun with the mixture, you can directly take the strainer, keep it on the spray gun cup and pour the mixture through it. Once you pour the mixture, you can close the lid of the spray gun cup. But for it to be that smooth, you should keep these things ready beforehand. So your spray gun is nice and clean and ready with all the filters and water trap. Your stirrer sticks are ready. Your strainers are ready. So what is the next thing that you should check or do? And the next thing that you should check or do is, I'll check this out guys because I'm done keeping my stirrer sticks and strainers ready. The third thing that you should check is if your spray booth is nice and clean. If it is not nice and clean, then now it's time to clean it guys. Spray water, blow out all the dust because when you are spraying the paint, the spray gun releases high pressured air guys. And if your spray booth is dirty and full of dust, then when you spray the paint, all that dust is going to come up and it is going to go down and settle on your paint job, which can ruin your entire paint job guys. So to avoid that, clean your spray booth beforehand. See that there are no obstacles in between, and even after blowing out all the dust, if you feel that there is still more dust, then spray light water on your floor, make the dust wet so that when you are spraying the paint, nothing is going to come up. So now you are done cleaning your spray booth guys. The next thing that you will have to do is, check if your compressor fittings are nice and tight. Yes guys, this is a big problem sometimes, especially the airline guys. Check if your airline is connected nicely and tightly in all the places. See that there is no air leakage because that air leakage bothers me guys because it makes that hissing sound all the time and your air is wasted. So to avoid that, see that all your pipes are nice and tight with a ring lock. Make sure that there is no air leakage and make sure that the pipes are not going to disconnect when you are doing the paint job. Because it happened to me guys. If you guys are following my channel for a long time and if you have watched all my videos, then you must have noticed when I was doing the paint job on the car, my pipe got disconnected and it makes a loud noise, guys. It's like somebody firing a bullet. And the pipe, when it gets disconnected, it moves around because it has high pressure air inside it, guys. So you'll have to run and stop the valve on the compressor. So to avoid this type of things to happen in between your paint job, which can even ruin your paint job, see that you check all these connections beforehand. So now that you have checked all your compressor connections, your spray gun is ready, your stirrer sticks, your strainers are ready, your spray booth is nice and clean. What is the next thing that you should be checking, guys? The next thing that you should be checking is, once you place all the parts that you will be painting in a certain manner, now it's time to take the spray gun, connect the pipe and just walk around. You are not yet ready to spray the paint, but you'll have to check if you can reach that part easily. If you can spray the paint on the parts from all the sides, that you'll have to check. If you can reach on the other side of the part, go to all the parts, because you won't be keeping the parts in a single place. You will be distributing them in your spray booth. So now it's time to take a walk around, guys. Take your spray gun and walk around in your spray booth. Go near each part that you will be painting and see if you can access that part from all the sides and if you can reach there without any problem. If there is something on the floor, see that you take it out, like stools and all, because it can trip you and you can fall there and mess up everything. So don't get tangled. See these things beforehand, guys. Make a nice path for you to walk around so that you can paint very nicely when you are ready. So with that, let me tick this off, guys. Check your path. So the next thing that you should be knowing or checking is, know your paint mixing ratio, guys. Whatever brand paints you buy, see that you know how much reducer you have to add in it, how much hardener you have to add in it, because when it's actual time to mix the paint, you will get confused and you will get stressed, guys. Because now you don't know how much base coat you want to add, how much hardener you want to add, or how much reducer, and what are all these things. All these things you should know beforehand, guys. So know your base coat mixing ratio, know your clear coat mixing ratio, and always have a mixing cup where you will mix your paint. Never mix your paint in your spray gun cup, guys. You should have a separate mixing cup. So put your base coat in there, put your reducer, mix it there in the mixing cup, and then pour the mixture into the spray gun cup. But see that you use a strainer to pour the mixture. So now that you know your mixing ratios, you are in a good position, guys. You are almost ready, guys, to spray the paint. There's one more thing that you'll have to keep ready, guys, and that is, so know your mixing ratios. I'll tick that off. And then one more thing that you should keep ready is one fingernail you should keep long. By saying long, I don't mean very long, guys, but it should be slightly long, because sometimes there are bugs which sit on your paint job. If you have long nail, then you can easily pick them up. If you don't like long nails, then keep something to take those bugs out, guys. But believe me, it is very easy to pick them up with your nail. So keep one fingernail long, guys. It will help you a lot. Keep mosquito repellent in your spray booth. Put those bugs attracting lights very far away from your spray booth, so that all those bugs will go and attract towards that light which is far away from your spray booth. And you will get a nice and clean environment to do the paint job. So once you're done with all these things, guys, you are now ready to spray the paint. But there's one more important thing, guys. One more important thing, which is the bonus. As you guys can see, I have written here bonus thing. So what is that bonus thing, guys? The bonus thing is, keep yourself calm. Yes, guys, it is very important to keep yourself calm. So you should be absolutely relaxed while doing the paint job. While you are doing the paint job, see that you take deep breaths like which will relax your body and keep you out of stress, guys. You can even put soft music on the side which will keep you in good mood. Don't rush with your paint job, guys, and take your time. And see that you don't hesitate to stop your paint job if needed. Because sometimes if you mess it up, then you'll have to stop right there. Now I was thinking of making a video on, if you messed up, when you should stop your paint job right there and when you should continue with your paint job. If you guys want me to do a video on that topic, then see that you comment below and let me know. And I will try to make a video on that as well. So guys, save this video, save this checklist. Every time, guys, every time you're ready to spray the paint, see that you go through these checkpoints, go through this video and see if you have checked everything. And once you are gone through this checklist, now you are ready to spray the paint, guys. Now this checklist is a small chapter in my book. If you guys are following my channel for a long time, then you guys know that I already have a book on Autobody and painting, on how to learn Autobody and painting. So this is a small chapter in that book which I have taken out and I have explained you guys. Now on that book there is a ton of information about Autobody and painting. If you guys want to learn Autobody and painting, and if you want to read that book, then I will put a link of that book in the description below. It is easily available on Amazon, guys. You can go there and purchase your copy. And if you found this particular video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out. Until we meet again.